Pragati Modi Academy, Rampur. Aditya and Rajat, please come up on the stage. The next competition was PowerPoint, and in this the first consolation goes to Nalanda College, Sri Lanka. Nalanda College, Sri Lanka, S.K. Foniska.
So come and join the golden mind. Biotechnology, traits of revolution, make you fit and fine, fit and fine, fit and fine.
The second consolation goes to CMS Rajendra Nagar Campus 1, Rohan Rastogi.
Agriculture, healthcare, energy significant. It's golden age in science, technology.
Now the third prize for PowerPoint goes to Jubilee College, Jordan.
Is a precious tool for the progress of mankind.
Second prize for PowerPoint goes to Seedling Modern High School, Jaipur. Sumit of Seedling Modern School, Jaipur. And the first prize for PowerPoint presentation goes to GISS Singapore, Pareen Chaudhary. Pareen Chaudhary, GISS Singapore. Now the next event was collage, and as you can see all around the hall we have collage and slogan poster making put up for you. And in this category the first consolation goes to Maharani Gayatri Devi Girls School, New Delhi. You all have worked very hard and please appreciate your hard work. Third prize for collage goes to Mira Model School, New Delhi.
Where you find yourself right easy and cool. So come and join the golden mind. Biotechnology, traits of revolution, make you fit and fine.
The second prize for collage goes to Nalanda College, Sri Lanka, SMG Sumendra and Rana Singhe. Second prize collage. Now we come to the winners of collage making, and the winning team is St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Bangladesh.
Come on, let's build a healthy, good and pollution-free world. Biotechnology.
The third prize in seminar goes to Lakshmipat Singhania Academy, Kolkata, Devansh Agarwal. Devansh Agarwal of Lakshmipat Singhania, Kolkata, third prize in seminar. Children, come on. Louder.
Where you find yourself right easy and cool.
Second prize in seminar goes to Delhi Public School, Bokaro, Nupur Pradhan. Children, I have to remind you every time. The winner of seminar, the first prize goes to Welland Girls, Dehradun, Prabdeep Kaur.
Come on, let's build a healthy, good and pollution-free world.
The next event we come up to is Turncoat. And in Turncoat, the consolation prize goes to Nalanda College, Sri Lanka. Nalanda College, Sri Lanka, D.E. Elvis. And the second consolation goes to Seedling Modern High School, Jaipur.
Join the golden mind. Biotechnology, traits of revolution, make and fine.
The third prize in Turncoat goes to Lion School, Mirzapur. Lion School, Mirzapur, Mohammad Anas.
Unique form of human empowerment.
The second prize in and Turncoat goes to Shane Das of Bluebell School International, New Delhi. And the winner of Turncoat is Lamatnia Boys, Lucknow, Arjun Tandon.
Deep information for body and mind.
Now the next event we had was website designing, and in this the two consolation prizes are as follows. The first consolation goes to CMS Rajendra Nagar Campus 1, Lucknow, Gaurav Gulati and Sushant Shukla.
In science, technology, medicine through biotechnology.
The second consolation goes to Jaipuria Kanpur, St. Anandram Jaipuria School, Kanpur, Arman Verma and Sonalika. The third prize in website designing goes to Sunbeam School, Lehertara, Varanasi, Ayush Jaiswal and Rajat Sirvastav. The second prize in website designing goes to Meera Model School, New Delhi, Tanuj and Rahul. Winners of website designing are St. Francis College, Lucknow. The team comprises of Akshat and Dhruv. The first prize goes to them. The next event was debate. In this we have two categories. One is for the motion and the other is against the motion. First I'll be announcing the prizes for the motion in debate. And the consolation prize goes to New Horizon Public School, Mumbai. New Horizon School, Mumbai, Anirudh Pillai. And the second prize of consolation goes to Mastermind, Bangladesh, Rifat Aziz. Mastermind, Bangladesh. The third prize in debate goes to Ananda College, Sri Lanka, Randanu. The second prize in debate goes to Intellectual Boarding School, Russia, Melina. The winner in debate is from CMS Kanpur Road, Lucknow, Soumya Bhushan. Soumya Bhushan, CMS Kanpur Road.
Agriculture, healthcare, energy significant. It's golden age in science, technology.
Now we come to the other side, that is against the topic. And the first consolation goes to Lakshmipat Singhania Academy, Kolkata, Sparshika. And the second consolation goes to CMS Rajendra Nagar Campus 1, Rashad Rashid. Third prize in debate goes to Sunbeam School, Lehertara, Varanasi, Rajat Srivastav. Come on, children.
It's golden age in science, technology, medicine through biotechnology. It's golden age in science, technology.
Now the first prize in debate against the topic goes to Maharani Gayatri Devi School, Jaipur, Shivangi Tiwari.
I am myself a biotechnologist, and the area of my expertise is agriculture biotechnology. So what I like to share with you students is that science can play a very important role. And if you people really want to do something for your country, doesn't matter which country you represent, whether India, Bangladesh, Russia, Sri Lanka and many other countries, we have representatives here. So it's very important that this thing should come from your heart. And for us, I would like to share with you that at your age, your mind is like a sponge. So it's very important, unless and until you are interested, so this is the best time for you to decide. And biotechnology, as Professor Padmanabhan already shared with you, so I'm not going to go into the detail, but it can really make a difference. For example, he said how the cost could be reduced 20 times by doing reverse engineering in the case of science. So in this case, what happens that a country like India, unlike many other countries, if you compare it with the US, let us say, many of the poor people, they could afford. And this benefit then can be extended, and it has been extended into other Asian countries and African continents.
Come to the last award, that is the winner of the overall championship trophy. And we have two categories again here, the junior and senior. And the overall championship trophy junior goes to Nalanda College, Sri Lanka. Nalanda College, Sri Lanka,